Hey everyone, Dave Nelson here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Lofty profile. Shouldn't take that long, it's pretty easy, but it's very important that you do this. So what you want to do is under your dashboard, go to settings, and it's going to pull up this. Again, not a lot of information, pretty easy to do. Your name, email, phone address, your license ID, depending on which state you're in, your position. Of course, I customize mine and put Agent Star Wars Nerd, so you can do whatever you want to. Your MLS number, so mine's North Star. Company name, so I'm going to put Real LLC. Company address, and if there's more information, you can put your personal name, and if you want to have any other attachments to that as well. Hit save. Boom, save successfully. So now your profile has been updated. And then lastly, down here is your email signature. If you want to modify that, you can definitely do so. Again, simple, hit edit, you can tweak it. This is the basic one that comes with Lofty. Completely fine with it for me, but there you go. And then here is if you wanted to apply this to all outgoing emails, yes or no. I have mine on yes because why not? That is it. That is how easy it is to set up your profile. Now you may be asking, where do I put my social media stuff? Don't worry, I got that covered in a different video.